नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Okay, my dear kids, hope you all are fine. After so many days, we are meeting again. We are continuing our YouTube class, right? I have got more complaints about grade 4 that they are not following the YouTube videos and also not responding for the teachers. Even me, you are not sending anything, and you are not watching the YouTube videos also. Please, my dear kids, teachers are struggling a lot to teach you something, because this is the this condition we didn't expect, because unknowingly this conditions came, we can't do anything. So at least this much we can give for you. Please understand the feelings of teachers, and please don't sit simply, my dear kids. 1 year if you are not learning anything means it will be very difficult for you in the next year. Please, my dear kids, please follow the videos and follow the instructions what the teachers are telling. Please get good words about you. Please, my dear kids, grade 4 students are good students last year. I don't want to hear anything from other teachers. Please, my dear kids, respond for the teachers, whatever they are telling to send, please send that. Okay, my dear kids, you are good children now. Okay. So now we finished one lesson, right? So we have to do the activity book. This book you have in a Pustak book, B book. The another one book, not that reading book, another one book it is there. I'll take that book, keep on pencil with you, and see that first page to fourth page. That is unnecessary. Okay, that is asking about the details of the lesson, like about the contents. First page, it is you have to write everything by explaining the story. Then second exercise, you have to explain each and every character in that lesson. That and all no need. So take page number 5. I'll take page number 5. Up of that you should write today's date 5. Oh sorry, I have written 4, right? Okay, you write 5. Okay, my dear kids, 5. This is not 4. 5 right there, 5. Okay, 5/11/2020, 5/11/2020, write that. And day Guruvar, day is correct only. Okay, Thursday. Okay, dear kids, this is one passage it is given from, not from the same question like that it is given. So you have to read this para, and you have to understand that para and what questions they are given, that you have to answer. This is not for mugging up and all. Okay, you copy this. I will send the PDF of this. You copy this. Okay, I'm going to explain this. Please listen. दिया गया गद्यांश पढ़ें और पूछे गए प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखें. What गद्यांश means? para. This read the what the para it is given. Read that para and the answer question and questions what it is given. You have to write the answer of that. Okay, I'm going to read in that inside yellow box. You please listen. मैंने घर में कदम रखा ही था कि अम्मा जी ने डांट कर कहा, तू आटा कहाँ ले गया था? बता किसको आटा दे आया है? मैं चुप खड़ा था. आने वाली विपत्ति के भय से प्राण सूख रहे थे. यह भी कहने की हिम्मत नहीं थी कि आटा तो द्वार पर रखा हुआ है. सहसा कसाकी ने पुकारा, बहू जी आटा द्वार पर रखा हुआ है, भैया मुझे देने को ले गए थे. अम्मा जी ने कहा, तुमने मुझसे पूछ क्यों न लिया? क्या मैं कसाकी को थोड़ा सा आटा न देती? What is the situation? This is the situation where what This is the situation when that small boy Premchand was taking the atta to that Kasaki, and when Kasaki is returning that and he was keeping that on the door, and this boy was coming inside, suddenly his mother was shouting like, where you went and for whom you have given this atta and all, like that he is asking. So that time what happening means, that boy is standing silently, and after that what happened, Kasagi was shouting and telling that, Bahuji, this one he has given to me only, he didn't give to anyone else, he has given to me only. So Ammaji, that mother is telling again that why you didn't tell to me and gone. If you have given this for Kasaki means I won't tell anything now, why you didn't tell, and that much only that content. See the first question, बालक की मादा ने उसे घर में कदम रखते ही क्यों डांटा. बालक की मादा, mother of that boy, उसे घर में कदम रखते ही, when he stepped inside his house, क्यों डांटा, why he scolded, why she scolded when that boy entered into the house, why she scolded. बालक की माँ ने उसे, listen this one, बालक की माँ ने उसे घर में कदम रखते ही डांटा. शी स्कोल्डेड बिकॉज क्योंकि उन्होंने रसोई में आटे की लकीर देखी. शी saw the line when he was taking the आटा and going, that line was there, that line she saw, and उन्हें संदेह हुआ कि बालक ने उनसे बिना पूछे आटा ले जाकर किसी को दिया है. By without saying to her, he was taking the atta and giving to somebody. For that only she shouted. Then second question, बालक ने प्राण किस आने वाली विपत्ति के भय से सूख रहे थे. Why he was afraid of coming some incident. Which incident? By fearing which incident he was scared. That boy was scared because when the mother was shouted, so he felt that, oh, mother is going to beat me, like that he felt. So what is the answer? सच न बताने पर मादा द्वारा गुस्सा हो जाने के बारे में सोचकर बालक के प्राण भय से सूख रहे थे. When he was not saying the truth, why, for whom he took the atta and went, that truth he was not telling, because Kasaki only told, he was keeping silent. So by thinking that because I am not telling the truth to my mother, so she is going to beat me, by thinking that he felt scared. Then next page number 6, third question, उपर्युक्त गद्यांश की अंतिम पंक्ति से लेखक की मादा के चरित्र की किस विशेषता का बोध होता है. See last one, she has told na, why you didn't tell to me, and when why you didn't tell. If you are giving to Kasaki means why, whether anything I will say anything to you. By hearing that word that mother has said, by hearing that, what we will feel about the character of that lady, what we will feel, she is a very kind person, like that. So what is that answer? लेखक की मादा के दयालु होने का ज्ञान होता है. दयालु means kindness. So she is kind. That knowledge we are getting. By hearing that last word she said, by hearing that we understood that she is a very kindful person. And okay, then last question you see, दिए गए शब्दों के पर्याय लिखे, means synonyms you have to write. The two words it is given. First one, grih. Grih means house. What is the another word for grih? Khar. What is the another word for grih? Khar. That also house only. Then second one, dar. What is the meaning of dar? Afraid. Afraid, scared. What is the another word for that? Bhai. Bhai. So grih, khar, house, dar, bhai, scared. Okay. So this one you copy it in your textbook, that's activity book, and take a snapshot and send it to me. Okay, Mary, that much from that book. Rest everything we will write afterwards. You take these books, Pustak A book. Pustak A book. Take second lesson, page number 16. Up of that you should write today's date, 5/11/2020, Guruvar. Write on the up of that Okay, my dear kids, what is the title of the lesson? हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. Okay, I'm going to read the lesson. Please listen carefully. Okay. हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के, एक हमारी धरती सबकी, जिसकी मिट्टी में जन्मे हम, मिली एक ही धूप हमें है, सींचे गए एक जल से हम, पले हुए हैं छूल छूल कर, पलनों में हम एक पवन के, हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. Once more I am reading. हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के, एक हमारी धरती सबकी, जिसकी मिट्टी में जन्मे हम, मिली एक ही धूप हमें है, सींचे गए एक जल से हम, पले हुए हैं छूल छूल कर, पलनों में हम एक पवन के, हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. That is the first para. First line, see, हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. Suman means, what is the meaning of Suman? Suman means flower. Flower. Okay, Suman means flower. My phone is some complaint. Okay, then Upavan, what is the meaning of Upavan? Garden. G, okay, garden. Garden, Garden. My phone some complaint. Okay, so that only it is coming like this. Garden, Garden. Okay, हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. We are the flowers of what? We are the flowers of one garden. We are the flowers of one garden. Why the poet is telling like that? Let us see. Okay, after reading this we will understand. एक हमारी धरती सबकी. धरती means earth. धरती means earth. धरती, earth. EARTH. Okay, EARTH, धरती. एक हमारी धरती सबकी. We all having only one earth, isn't it? So that only poet is telling that we are the flowers of one garden, right? Everyone having only one earth, right? For me one earth, for you one earth, not like that, na? For everyone only one earth is there. So we are the flowers of same garden, only one garden, isn't it? We are the flowers of one garden. We all have a one earth, right? जिसकी मिट्टी में जन्मे हम, on that earth's sand only we born, isn't it? On that earth only we born. Everyone born on the same earth, isn't it? We all have a only one earth. That earth only we born. मिली एक ही धूप हमें है. We are getting the same sunlight. धूप. धूप means sunlight. 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 So isn't it for us everyone getting the same sunlight only? One sun is coming here and another sun is coming on another. No, only one sun is there. So for everyone the same sunlight only getting. So we are the flowers of same garden. For us only one earth is there. On that earth only we born. We are getting the same sunlight. सींचे गए एक जल से हम. For everyone getting the same water, like सींचे गए एक जल से हम means we all born in the same way. Like rain also we are getting the same, isn't it? The water also we are getting the same. Not here on rain, there on rain, not like that. The same rain only from their sky only for everyone it is getting. पले हुए हैं छूल छूल कर, पलनों में हम एक पवन के. for everyone we are getting the same wind also. Pavan means wind. So for everyone we are swinging on the swing of the wind. Same wind only we are playing, right? There we are getting the same wind. Hum sab suman ek upavan ke. Only that is there. We are same. We are not different and all. Yeah, we are getting the same earth. We grown on the same earth. We are getting the same sunlight. We are getting the same wind. That much only that para. Okay, my dear kids. Then next para you see रंग रंग के रूप हमारे. Next page is in page number 17. Okay, there रंग रंग के रूप हमारे अलग अलग है क्यारी क्यारी, लेकिन हम सबसे मिलकर ही इस उपवन की शोभा सारी. एक हमारा माली हम सब रहते नीचे एक गगन के, हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. Once more, रंग रंग के रूप हमारे अलग अलग है क्यारी क्यारी, लेकिन हम सब से मिलकर ही इस उपवन की शोभा सारी. एक हमारा माली हम सब रहते नीचे एक गगन के, हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. First para we learned that we all having only one earth. On that earth only we born. We have only one sunlight and we also having only one wind. On that wind only we are swinging. That much only, that first para. Then here you see रंग रंग के रूप हमारे. We all have different color, isn't it? One person is in white color, one person is in black color, one person is in light white color, light black color. So everyone are in different color, right? अलग अलग है क्यारी क्यारी. We are having say different house also, place also, right? We are not in the same place, but then even we are there in the same. We are not in the same place. We are not in the same color. Then even what happening? हम सबसे मिलकर भी इस उपवन की शोभा सारी. शोभा means इस उपवन की शोभा. शोभा means beauty. Beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. B-E-A-U-T-Y. So sorry, my phone some complaint is there, so that only this much problem. Okay, my dear kids. So हम सबसे see, for we are in the say different color, we are from the different place. Then even if we together we are living only, the earth is very bright, earth is very beauty. Is upavan ki shobha sari. We all together, if you are living only, what is happening? The world is beautiful. What is the meaning of this? We have to be in unity. We should not fight against others, fight towards others. It's fight between others. We should not fight to others, isn't it? That is only telling we have to live together happily. Then only this earth will be looks beautiful. Like that it is telling. एक हमारा माली हम सब रहते नीचे एक. माली means what? Mali means gardener. Gardener. Who is gardener? Who? E-R, okay. N-E-R. Gardener. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Gardener means those who is taking care of the garden, isn't it? Who is taking care of our garden? Who is taking care of this world? Our God, right? So only one God is there. So that God is taking care of the world. So रहते नीचे एक गगन के. गगन means sky. Right there, okay, my dear kids. Gagan means sky. Sky means only one sky is there. On down of that only we are living. So only one garden is there. Only one sky only there. On under that only we are living. हम सब सुमन एक उपवन के. We are the flowers of one garden. So we have, what is the meaning of this para? We are in different color. We are from different place. Then even if we are living together only, this world's beauty will increase. So we have only one gardener. We have only one God. Only one sky. Under that sky only we are living. So we are the flowers of same garden. That much only this lesson. Only two more para is there that we will learn on the next class. Okay, so finish that Pustak B book what I have given, that I'll send the PDF. Okay, my dear kids, read these two para twice and get sign from your parents. Okay, my dear kids, read these two paras clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and you read and record it and send it to me. Okay, my dear kids, read, record it and send it to me. I am expecting more from the fourth grade. Last year I know that more our fourth grade students are very bright. I know that. Please don't get any black mark for you. Okay, my dear kids, be active and do whatever you were in the last year. Okay, my dear kids, learn well and respond to the teachers. Okay, whatever the teachers are telling, obey that. Okay, thank you, my dear kids. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.